So there may be a question that you're asking yourself as it relates to crypto, certainly one that I'm asking. Are we good? And here's what that means. Are we good in relationship to the macro view into all of crypto, i.e. inflation, and the reports that we're getting, and is the uncertainty and doubt kind of leaving the proverbial building? And the short answer is we don't know yet. Because here's what's happened. 10 plus days ago, we got a jobs report from the government that showed that jobs growth was way exponentially higher than what we were expecting it to be. And I think that really threw a wrench into this equation with inflation, because when we saw on February 1st, the FOMC meeting, Chairman Powell, he was pretty bullish and positive, but he always talked about the jobs report. Jobs have to be coming down in line with inflation fighting, factors, things of that nature. He talks about the data. The data, which we got today. So you had the jobs report 10 days ago. We had the data today. This is all, again, around the are we good factor, right? The data we got today in the CPI report showed the fact that inflation is cooling a little bit, but it went from 6.5 to 6.4. Not a lot. It wasn't some dramatic down. It wasn't like we went from 6.5 down to, say, 6 or 5.9. So it says that some of the inflation fighting techniques are starting to cool a little bit, and we're not getting as much of a dramatic effect in fighting inflation. But here's the interesting thing. Back to the are we good question mark. Crypto's on fire today. It's up. It's up really pretty significantly. And, 3 or 4% on the overall market. Ethereum's up 4%. Bitcoin's up 3%. I wouldn't say that that's on fire, but that's doing way better than stocks. Stocks have been down all day, dramatically. Okay. And so the bottom line is that we don't have enough data yet, and we don't really know what the consensus or the overall feeling is in the crypto market about how the market feels about this. More time will tell. Tomorrow into, Wednesday, Thursday, all that kind of stuff. It'll have to be where we see where sentiment, investor sentiment, and I'm talking about institutional, whales, retail buyers across those three kind of categories and sectors, where they land on how they feel crypto is. Because we still have this uncertainty. We have the uncertainty around the jobs report. Our inflation report wasn't that great, and it's the uncertainty about what is going to happen when the Federal Reserve meets again on March 14, 15. And how much are they going to raise it? They were expecting at 25 basis points. Now, are we expecting more? Are they going to have to raise it 50 basis points? We don't know. And uncertainty is not done. Uncertainty has actually been even more inserted into the equation because of the jobs report and because the CPI report wasn't that great. Stock market's getting hammered today. Crypto not. Interesting, right? Final thought. There's a link down in the description below to Bybit. Bybit is the trading platform. I've ran this by a couple of really good friends of mine who are extremely hardcore traders. They say it is the best trading platform in the world. If you use my link in the description below, and I get a little fee if you do use it, okay? Just full disclosure. And you go use it, they're giving up to $30,000 direct deposit. So if you open an account, deposit, trade, but on deposit, they're gonna match some of your deposits. If you click that link in the description below, you're gonna see kind of what the matching is, up to $30,000 US in stable match. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Additionally, I would recommend you use NordVPN to go access and create your account. Anytime you're doing any kind of trading online, definitely use a VPN like NordVPN. That's what I use. It's NordVPN.com to protect yourself and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I have for you right now. Check out that Bybit thing though, but because that's a big deal. That's up to $30,000. It's a special that I was able to get for you guys, my subscribers. If you use the referral link in the description below. That's what I got. As always, thanks for your support. I'll see you.